Cynthia here today. So today I'm going to show you how to create this look inspired by Kim Kardashian at the Met Gala this year. She looked very beautiful with kind of like an Arabian wing liner and some 90s inspired lip. So if you guys want to know how, please keep on watching. So taking my Morphe 350 palette, I'm going to be taking the 5th color down and I'm going to apply that all over my crease. This is going to be our transition color for our dark brown. And just blend it in the crease. Like that. Okay. Taking the same palette, we're going to take this brownish reddish color and we're going to apply that all over the crease. Grab a little bit more to just intensify, just right on the crease. Grabbing L'Oreal's lacquer liner in the color Black is Black. We're going to go start off ahead by lining the actual lash line. You don't want to do the line too thick because we're going to end up smudging it. Now we are going to create the wing. Like that. Make sure it's even to your other eye. And then we're going to connect it. It doesn't have to be perfect because we're going to go ahead and blend it out. Okay. I'm going to take a small flat brush and start patting on the edges to blend it out. You don't want no harsh lines. Now go ahead and take a larger kind of flat brush like this. And you want to go ahead and add some black shadow. I'm going to add the Urban Decay Naked Basics Palette black color in here. And you want to pat and smudge out as well. So when you close your lid, it should look something like this. Very thick wing liner, but yet it is smudged and not precise. Now I'm taking Maybelline's felt tint liner in the color Black, and I'm just going to line my lash line just to intensify that part. the wing and sharpen it. So you can see the liner and then you can see the gel up here. Now taking the gel again, we are going to line the waterline. Do that on top as well. With the same gel, I'm going to grab the angled brush and I'm going to very closely to the lash line smudge it out. This brush again with some shadow of that Morphe palette, the brownish reddish, and we're going to go ahead and blend this flag out. And when you blend, you want to connect the bottom lash line to the wing liner. Again with the wing liner. Now you want to go ahead and to align right here, not too thick. And you want to connect these two in the inner corner, kind of creating almost like a point. So it should look something like this. Now I'm going to go ahead and add mascara. I'm going to be using the Tarte Maneater mascara on the bottom and upper lashes. The bottom ones you want to clump up, make them look longer and fuller. Last step is to add lashes. I'm going to be using the Eyelure Glided lashes. Once the lashes are on, you want to kind of squeeze your lashes with the fake ones. So these are the complete eyes. For the lips, I'm going to go ahead and take Ashton from Anastasia Beverly Hills. So after we put Ashton all over the lips, we're going to put Stripped, again from Anastasia, just in the center to give that kind of 90s vibe gradient lip look. Alright you guys, so the last step is to apply a gloss. So I'm going to be using Laura Geller's Color Luster Lip Gloss in the color Sugar Cane. Alright guys, so this was the final look. I hope you guys really enjoyed, and if you did, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any comments or any requests, please leave them down below, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye!